Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove tags and mentions on Instagram posts. So in here, what you need to do is open your profile on Instagram and go to the tag page on your profile by clicking on this icons right here, and you'll see the posts that are tagging you on Instagram. So for example, I'm going to remove mentions for or tag from this post right here. So you can just click on a post and click on the three dots icon, or here you can also click on manage. I'm going to just click on the three dots icon in here, and there will be this tag options. So there are two options that you can select it. You can either remove the tag from the post permanently, or you can just hide the post from your profile, but this post is still mentioning you. So I'm going to just remove me from the post. Just click on remove me from post, and just like that, the tag and mentions has been removed. So that's how you can remove tag on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.